Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hello friends. So here we are at Keylong again for just the fuel up because there are new fuel stations ahead of Keylong.
Am I wrong for thinking out the box from where I stay? Am I wrong for saying that I choose another way? I ain't trying to do what everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I don't look back, always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life, that's just how I feel. Fight for yours, don't let go. Don't let them compare you, no. Don't worry, you're not alone, that's just how we feel. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? Am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. Fuck the bullshit, I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you, without you, it's the color.
Hello from the Shinkula top, 16,580 feet. And here is the view.
काफ़ी ठंडी है और
तकरीबन -2 या -4 होगा. हमने 4 लेयर पहने हुए हैं, लेकिन स्टिल
फील हो रहा है
फिर भी फील हो रहा है और थोड़ी ब्रीदिंग भी इशू आ रही है.
क्योंकि अथॉरिटी यहाँ पे हमें अलाउ भी नहीं
अलाउ नहीं करेगी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा देर
हमारी
रुकने के लिए,
safety की वजह
हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए. तो अभी हम निकलेंगे. चलो अभी हम पद्दुम की ओर आगे बढ़ते हैं. थैंक यू.
Shit, say my head got big, yeah. Well, listen, man, world done made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Don't trip. Well, if you could see me now, love me and hold me down, my mind, it goes. Well, this mad world done made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Hey, one of these days we'll all get by. Don't be afraid, don't fall in love.
Hello Vinay.
यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी कम है।
Here we are at Gongboranjan, the famous mountain of Zanskar. It's a beautiful place around. Okay, see you now at Padum. So we met some Russian friends and they are traveling to Padum. चारों ओर का
हमको दिख नहीं रहा।
नहीं, आपको नहीं दिखेगा, वो बाद में मोबाइल में दिखेगा। अब अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
पूरा ना
हाँ, पूरा चारों दिखेगा।
यार घूमने के लिए मारते हैं क्या?
हाँ
दिल्ली के लिए मारते हैं?
नहीं, वो सब हम नहीं करते।
सीधा साधा लग जाए चारों तरफ
बस घूमो फिरो एंजॉय करो।
आप कभी घूमते हैं?
सिर्फ घूमते हैं। चलिए मिलते हैं।
हाँ
Yeah. Used to wanna be a superhero, flying around with a cape, catching bad guys. Now my head underwater, but I ain't in the shower and I ain't getting baptized. To the good and the bad times, all the cuts, broken bones, and the black eyes. Young motherfucker with a mad mind, made a couple million off of rap lines. Y'all can't tell me nothing no more. Came from the basement, under that floor. You don't come close, you don't need to know I'm the GOAT. You don't need to know how I go, cause I know what you want. All I wanna do is the most. Backflip off the rope, skyhook when I'm in the post. Yeah, my girl too clutch to choke. And I ain't calling it quits. You can build a wall with your bricks. Well, I keep talking that shit. It's like this. Liquor still in my cup. Get faded when I wake up. Cause everything is too much. So what? Woke up this morning with a bright idea. Maybe I can exist forever right here. Let it run. Yeah. Okay, well I'ma be here for a while, longer than I did expect to. I was out of town, getting lost till I was rescued. Now I'm in the clouds, come down when I run out of jet fuel. But I never run out of jet fuel. Well, I'ma be here for a while, longer than I did expect to. I was out of town, getting lost till I was rescued. Now I'm in the clouds, come down when I run out of jet fuel. But I never run out of jet fuel. 120 on the car that I don't whip. I don't even put it up the driveway. Throwing up shots like I don't miss. Never put a limit on the high stakes. Try to pull my car till I'm go fish. You ain't gonna find a line in my face. I pick it up and let it go quick. They wanna get pussy, yeah, I don't say nothing that I don't know. Jumping out the womb wearing polo. Everybody wanna jump in, but I'm old school.